Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been hearing a lot about the Claude Code lately and wondering how to get it running on your Windows machine, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to walk you through the complete step-by-step setup of Claude Code on Windows. We will cover everything: installing Git for Windows, fixing the most common path error that trips everyone up, and launching the Claude Code for the very first time. Let's download the Git and install. Git is a tool that Claude Code uses internally to track changes to your code. Download the installer for your system. It will be a standard.exe file and run it. You will see about a dozen of screens during the installation. Here is the key thing: leave everything at the default setting and keep clicking next. The most important one is that Git gets added to your Windows path, and that option is already checked by default, so don't uncheck it. Once the installer is finished, click on Finished. Git for Windows and Git Bash are now installed on your system. Now for the main installation, install Claude Code in a terminal. Keep PowerShell open and run this command in a PowerShell. Copy and paste the following command and press enter. This is the official Anthropic installer. It will automatically download the Claude Code binary and install it to your user profile. No administrator privileges are required. You will see the installer run through its steps. Once it completes, it will tell you the installation is finished. This means the installer worked correctly, but your path environment variable hasn't been updated yet. Here is how we can fix it. Let's open the system properties and click on Advanced and Environment Variable. Under the environment variable, you can see the user variable. Find the variable name called path and double click it and click on New and paste the copied path. Now click on OK on all the dialog box, then restart your terminal. Now let's launch the Claude Code for the first time. Type Claude, hit enter. Now choose the test style. The first time you run it, Claude Code will ask you for the authentication. You have three options here. I have currently in an enterprise subscription, so currently I am selecting the first options. After you enter the email address, you will see this kind of authorization windows. You have to click on authorized. Once you click in authorize, authentication is complete. Claude Code will greet you with its terminal interface and you are in. We have successfully set up the Claude Code in our terminal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe this channel. See you in another video.